Alright peeps, welcome back to the channel. Boy, it's been a while. It's been a while peeps, but guess what? I'm back now, and guess what's in the background over there? Yep, it's that time. So right now we just get the car wired. Yeah man, just get the car wired. We haven't started it as yet, but today is the day. Today is the day. The machine is going to be up and running today. Yeah man. Yo people, we're super excited. Yo, this is one electrician them. How go on? Yeah man. So how you love your work so far, bro?
It's going good, you know.
It's going good?
Just want to start now. I know everybody will wait for this.
Yeah man, everybody will wait for this. Yeah man, so just tell the people what your name no man and what go on man.
Nicholas, but everybody call me Tony.
Yeah.
A20.
Yeah. Bad electrician from out west. So give them a number to see you know.
Nobody.
Make the people they know if you contact you man. Bad electrician.
Well, I don't really me alone do the job, so if you want to contact with me, do any wiring on any vehicle, you can contact 845-2001. Shine.
Yeah, so it's a big man that
big
general.
Man that.
Alright peeps, the general soon reach. He was here but he went on the road, so soon be back. But nothing special peeps, so just stop brain for now until I can afford to get a management. So yeah, just a stop brain for now. Yeah. Yep. Well, go on.
Must I like and subscribe?
Must I like and subscribe? Alright. Yeah, peeps, so that's my little son right there. So the wiring work is not finished as yet because I'm waiting on a pipe to go here. I will show you when I get it, so that we can mount the airflow meter in, because this have to be a certain distance away from the throttle body. Yeah, so I'm just waiting to get that from the welder because we're gonna use a pipe. So we're not gonna use but this stop hose right here. Yeah man, so yeah peeps, so that's what is happening right now on the Motorsportja project built. Yeah man, so I know enough people I wonder why I never post no video for a little while, but I was sick, so I decided to take a little break from doing YouTube videos until I recover. So I'm back now, so and they can just welcome me back. Yeah, so you can look out for this machine on the street very soon. I need to get some hot rims to put on this car right now. Yep. So everything is falling into place slowly but surely. Let me say my boss. So everything will fall in place now.
Yeah man. Make sure everything up and rolling.
I'm loving the wire work so far peeps. It's looking neat and tidy. So afterwards I will do my little touch up, like, you know, clean up when we clean up and neat up when we neat up, and yeah. Yo, right now I can't be here. Boom, boom. Can't be here, machine start up, bro, honestly. Yeah man, bring it home, wash it off. Yo, car is under tree. Look at the amount of debris that is on it. So bringing it home, get it washed off. Yo, bossy did that, people. Z Boss. So right now we're at the Z Boss garage here in Sav. So that was bossy day a while ago. I'm seeing I can get another little clippings. So we have a bad electrician rolling. The man himself shine. See if bossy day I gotta do another pull. Yo, see Z Boss. Z Boss are rolling back. Yo, Z Boss that people. Boss, I can make a next pull. I make a next pull. Boss. Where's the machine feel? Alright. Where's the machine active?
Long time I not feel him, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still lively, man. Feel long I not drive.
Yes, I touch up about the belt.
Want to do that?
Where's the jump some belt cross some back?
Yeah, you understand? Just want to get it machine right and thing, you see?
Yeah.
Tune it back over and, you know?
Yeah. Machine nice bossy day, man. Yeah, peeps, 2ZZ, turbocharge. Yeah, back to over my side. Yeah, man, peeps, I don't know. We have a bad electrician in our place. Make the boss introduce himself. What go on?
Yeah, man, Shine, you know? Electrician from West. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, don't know why you all like bad Z them from, you know, man.
Boy, I would say all of them, you know, but
Yeah.
majority of them, a few of them, you know?
Yeah. So, tell us about your business now. Your business name
Yeah,
and
man,
thing now.
Boogie's Automotive and Electrical Services. Yeah, man, we're located at Landale Main Road, Big Bridge, Sabla, man.
Yeah, man. What's your contact number?
845-2001.
Alright, so you know, just do wiring, I do like diagnostic and all sort of
Yes.
stuff. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we do electrical repairs and service in Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Mitsubishi, Subaru, etc.
Yeah, man. You know you like you said them, you know.
Yeah, man, a Toyota, you know? Toyota, you know?
It's a Toyota. Yeah, man, peep. So Shine is the one who did the nice, lovely work right here. Him and Todi. Him and Todi. Yeah, man, real bad electrician them from out of West, peep. So if you don't want the work for done, you can just hit him up. Don't know. But I best in our West. You see me?
The only thing we do is Audi and video.
Yeah.
But anything electrical.
So you say, me must get a 16. Yeah, peep, so that Shine. Yeah, man, real general, man, you know. Check him out, you know. Yeah, man, so I will put his contact number on the screen. I can just show it to him if I don't have a problem. But right now, I'm just there. Right now. I boss the garage sitting down. I wait for the machine to start. Wait for the machine to start, peeps. You see me? If you guys love the progress so far, can just hit the like button, man. You see me? And I said, Motorsport, I love where you go on with. Drop that in the comment section. Say, yo, I love where you go on with you. You see me? I try to make it for Battle of the Belt still. I don't know if I'm gonna be ready by then, but I'm trying. But check out Battle of the Belt, 25th of February, Vernon Field, Bebo event. It's gonna be a crazy event. So just bring out the machine them, you see me? No prep event, no time event. Yeah man, hand job event, just like the street style. So just be there, you know? 25th of February. Yeah man.
Yeah, so you know it's a food.
Alright Pete, so this is the pipe I was talking about earlier. So a gentleman named Javian, aka Weedy, just did a customization. I'm gonna also put his contact number on the screen, so if you want anything to customize, you can hit him up. Yeah man, so it's gonna go right here. Yep. Yo, pick up yourself. Machine start. Yo, baby, machine start. Machine start. Z. Yo. Z. Yo, machine start. Yeah man, machine start. So gonna have to get a gas pump. Gonna have to get a gas pump because it's a stop gas pump by having it. So the gas pressure is not there. Yo, my friend then come check me, you know. Where's he going?
I risky business. Everything good to that boss.
Machine up, you know, man.
Yes, see, man.
Good.
Yeah, daddy.
So where's he going?
Where's the machine active? I come for pass you, man. But everything look good so far.
Yeah, everything look good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people.
It's a welding there, man.
Where's he? Where's he? How the welding there? Where you call him? Where you call him?
Weedy.
Alright. Yeah, peeps, I don't know.
Everything good.
Yeah, man. Working then they are checking for his head, you know? Yeah, man. Work there, you know? Machine there. So we sort out a funnel through the light. Yeah man, what go on Sanchez? What you say I go now?
Which car first I kill?
Which car first me I kill?
I'm telling you, I kill with it.
Yeah.
Kill church racers.
Church racers?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
I see I can't drive, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, just give it to him.
Alright, Sanchez a little worry for me, you know? But soon come a road come go it's on damage, you know? Let's go and take with time, peeps. The car is now up and ready, so I'm gonna take it home and do some little clean up, you know? Alright peeps, so I'm in a machine now. I say I can bring it home, go park it up. Yeah, I'm a look at son. What you say I gone?
Subscribe to Motorsportja. I like car racing video there.
So, I can park up the machine now, peeps. So, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. You see me?
Motorsportja. Little black dress, don't change on again. One up to hold it.